Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It feels so good to sit down here and talk to you guys again. I have missed doing sit down videos. I have missed doing chit chat videos in general. Like, I have honestly missed it. I've been giving you guys vlogs back to back, and even myself, I'm getting tired of it. I thought to actually resume doing my sit down videos, and let me take the opportunity to actually ask you guys if you have any topic ideas or any ideas in general for sit down videos that you'd love to see here on my channel. Let me know in the comments section below, okay, so that we can keep more sit down videos coming in the near future. All right, anyway, how have you guys been? I hope you guys have been doing amazingly well. I have been doing good, thank God for that. And today's video is a bit of, I don't even know how to describe this video that I'm about to do right now, but you guys would see as the video goes on. But I did get a DM a few weeks ago, all right, on Instagram. Somebody DM'd me on Instagram after they saw the video I did with my mom, talking about how she raised my sister with special needs all this while and all of that. Somebody sent me a DM on Instagram, and I can't even find that DM, to be honest. I've been searching for the person's name, I cannot find it, but I remember vividly what that DM was about. Now, if you missed the video I did with my mom about raising a child with special needs here in Nigeria, I will leave it linked up here. Go catch up on it. We are actually supposed to do a follow-up video now that, you know, my auntie's funeral is over, everybody is back to normal life. I will sit down with her and answer a lot of your questions that you guys asked in that video. But this particular one is just literally to talk about this DM that this person sent to me. And I remember I actually told her I would love to share this DM, you know, in a video, and she agreed to that. So literally, she was asking me in the DM how I was able to cope with dating, all right, while I was single. How was I able to date and eventually get married despite having a sibling with special needs? And I'm just like, how are the two even related? Apparently, she has a sibling with special needs. I'm not sure if it is autism or Down syndrome or dyslexia. I'm really not sure. But she told me that she has been having difficulties dating and eventually getting married. I think there was somebody who actually dated her for a while, and the moment she told him that she had a sibling with special needs, the guy took off, okay? The guy ran away, and they were this close to getting married. And she said it has been an issue for her, you know, in her life. Each time she brings up the fact that she has a sibling with special needs, men just seem to not want to have anything to do with anybody who has a sibling with special needs. And it is the most ridiculous thing. It is the most annoying thing to hear. Like, I literally had to ask her, are you sure of what you're saying? Like, are you sure you are not making this up? Because I never experienced this when I was dating. I mean, for the most part, most of the guys I dated while I was single knew that I had a sister with special needs. And that was not even close to any of the reasons why those relationships did not work out. All of those ended for other different reasons aside that. As a matter of fact, most of the guys I dated actually did love my sister Wendy, okay? And I really wish I was doing this particular video with my mom, because I would love to hear her opinion on this. Maybe I would chip this into the next video that I will do with her concerning special needs. But any man that judges you or your family for something that you have no absolute control over, nobody asks for it. God gives you or gives your family a child with special needs, for instance, and as far as I'm concerned, God does not give you a cross that you cannot carry. It's only a man who is not enlightened, okay? It's only a man who is not exposed that you will tell that you have a sibling with special needs and they run away, or they ask to break up, because maybe in their myopic thinking heads they think that, oh, you have a sibling with special needs, oh, by the time I get married to you, maybe we would have a child with a special need or something like that. That is like the most ridiculous thing ever, in my opinion. Now, if you recall the video I did with my mom, she actually mentioned, or she threw more light on how, you know, a child with Down syndrome comes to be. I mean, she merely said it there that it is as a result of when there is an extra chromosome during pregnancy and all of that. Down syndrome and many special needs are not genetic. Okay, they are not genetic, they are not hereditary, they are not passed from family to family, they are not passed from generation to generation. I'm not sure where this dude or these dudes, where they read their own book or get their own sort of enlightenment. I don't even understand. So having a sibling with special needs should not hinder you from dating, should not hinder you from getting married, should not hinder you from having love in your life. And that's why I feel like Down syndrome needs to be talked about more often in this country and in this continent of Africa as a whole. I feel like people are not talking about it enough. People are not throwing enough light on special needs or individuals living with special needs. I feel like that's the reason why a lot of people are so miseducated and are so misinformed about things that relate to special needs. Like I said before, I personally never went through that. I mean, I never went through that. It was never even a topic of discussion. It never came up. Oh, how many siblings do you have? Oh, I have 3 siblings. I have a brother, I have 2 sisters, and our last born was born with special needs. Oh, really? And then they meet her and then they fall in love with her. Like I know I went out with a couple of guys who even went as far as buying gifts for my sister Wendy because of the love that they had for her. So this is a very, very peculiar case, in my opinion. And I did well to tell her exactly the same thing. I told her, look, any man that wants to be with you would be with you. This guy or guys are just looking for like the perfect excuse to break up with you or to move on from you. Trust me. I also made sure to tell her that by the time her own man comes, this will not even be an issue. Okay, this will not even come up in the discussion of things. It will not even come up at all. Another reason that I think that maybe some men may shy away from, you know, dating or marrying a woman that has a sibling with special needs is because maybe they wonder, okay, by the time your parents are old and gray, you know, are aged and everything, who will now be the one looking after, you know, this sibling of yours? And I feel like, see, when you get to that bridge, you will cross it, okay? When you do get to that bridge, you will cross it. I mean, if you claim that you love somebody and you want to spend the rest of your life with that person, you love every part of them, you love their families, you love everything that they are about. And I feel like when it comes to having a sibling with special needs, you should be able to offer support when needed. It is not a thing of shame. It is not a thing of, oh my God, I cannot do this. Oh, this is like your responsibility. This is you and your family's responsibility. Deal with it. It is all encompassing. If you say you love somebody, you should be able to love everything about them, including every member of their family. At the end of the day, I feel like if you are in these shoes, one thing you should know is that your family first. You love your family, you have a family before you meet anybody that wants to marry you and all of that. Anybody that cannot accept you and your family the way it is not for you. Period, point blank. All right, okay, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. It's quite a very short one. I just wanted to just throw this out there and hear what you guys have to say in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this, you know, people running away from people who have siblings with special needs? Let me know in the comment section below. What advice do you have for this person, because she just might be watching this video? Let her know in the comments as well. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.